from Snapp Digital. In this video, we're going to go over adding locations and screen inventory to your account. Once you've logged into your Snapp Digital dashboard, you will go over to Manage Devices on the left side. Since this is a new account and we haven't added any locations, we'll go ahead and add our first location. In the top search bar, you can type in the address of the location, or you can try and type in the name and see if the map will recognize that specific location. On the map, you can move the pin around to pinpoint exactly where that location is. In the location name, you can see the address is pre-populated, the city. Next, you'll need to add in the thumbnail image for the location. I'm just going to use one that we have. Next, you'll set your age range of the demographics of the visitors to that location. You'll set the gender split, the income range, average monthly visitors, and also set the business hours. These are all pre-populated in with a default number, so you'll have to adjust this to fit. Once you've created your location, go ahead and save it, and you'll see it show up here on the left. Now we need to add in the devices. The number of players you have in this location will determine the number of devices you need to add. So we're just going to go ahead and add one. At the top, there is the device add specs. This is where you would upload a PDF of your advertisement specifications. If you do static image or video, you would have those both on that sheet and you would upload them in here. This would allow an advertiser to be able to pull that sheet up if they select your location to get the information they need to create the appropriate content for that device. This device name, we usually put in a descriptor of where it is in the location. Next, you can choose the number of slots available for purchase on that device. In this case, we default at 10. Secondly, you can also adjust the duration. This determines how long each ad will play in the loop. Screen orientation, you can choose whether it's a horizontal or vertical screen. You get to set the price. This is a price per slot per month. So one slot would cost, in this case it defaults to $99, but let's say it's $25 a month for a single ad spot. Under device settings, allow combined slot buys and list in open marketplace are both features of our white label solution. If you have not signed up for the white label solution, these options would not be available. The most important one under device settings is active and ready for ads. When this is switched to off, this device will not be available for purchase on the open marketplace. If this device is available for purchase, just make sure that it is turned to the on position. Once you have finished, go ahead and save this device. Now you'll see the device show up beside the location, and you can control this device independently from any other devices in this location. If there are multiple screens in the single location, you would simply just go to add device and do the same process we did to add the first device. You can always go in and edit the devices. You can also play back ads that are currently running on that device by clicking the playback widget. You will also have access to the MRSS feed. This is important for some of the partnerships and integrations we have with other content management systems. You can also deactivate this device from this view as well by clicking and switching off that button. This again will remove this device from the open marketplace and make it unavailable for purchase by an advertiser. Your network is now ready and available on the open marketplace to be viewed and purchased by advertisers. If you have any questions or run into any issues, please email us at support@snappdigital.com, and we'll see you in the next video.